Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'd like to introduce you to some advanced features which Rich Editor can offer. Apart from editing text, uploading videos, audios, and pictures, you might need to record your voice or shoot some video. So you don't need to use any other application for that because you can use Rich Editor with some functions here, that is record audio, and record video, which are available. So let's look at recording audio firstly. If you click on this icon with the mic, you can see the box with instructions what to do. So the first thing is to record. If you press this button, then you can see that recording has started. So anything you need to say, you do that. You can then pause and continue, and when you're done, you click on stop, and you can see that there is some recording relay. And pay attention to the instruction that you need to firstly upload the file, and only after that it is going to be available for inserting. So if you just do that without uploading, nothing actually happens. So firstly upload it, and after the upload has been successfully done, you can click on insert and you can see the link available here. So the same procedure is going to be with recording video. Let's start with that. So the same instruction, and if you click on record, you can see it going on. Then you can pause, stop, and when you're done, or you can also play it to see it. So, and you need to firstly upload it. Nothing was captured. Okay, let's see again. So let's start recording. And time is running. Okay, so let's stop and upload it. Here it is. Okay, done. So now you can insert, and that is done. I'm going to try with again. Okay, just to have two links available. Stop. Upload. Okay, I've got them too. So that is how you can use Rich Editor to the fullest. So enjoy it, and thank you for watching the video tutorial. See you. Bye.